CapCut is no longer free anymore.
CapCut is no longer free.
It finally happened. CapCut is no longer free. There is no usable free version of CapCut without a watermark.
CapCut is no longer free. Is that true? Partially yes, that would be my answer, because you can download it for free. How about the usage? The features are not free. Almost 100%, yeah, 100%. You can have maybe 98% of the features are locked up in the premium version or in the premium aspect of it. You can't make use of it unless you subscribe. And the subscription plan amount, the amount has increased, not like before again. So what can we do? Do not worry, because we have alternative applications. It's you that you don't know about it. Maybe you have been seeing some applications, but you're downgrading, you're undergrading it low. You're like, this one, just make sure you pick one among these ones I'm going to mention to you. Pick one and use it. Try it out and see. It can serve you. Now, the video aspect of showing you this is to educate you and to let you know about it. Please subscribe to the channel. Yeah, before I start mentioning them, subscribe to the channel, please, and don't forget to give a like to this video. Thumbs up. I don't want that. I need that. The thumbs should be up, and then leave in your comment. Very important to keep the video engaging. It will help the algorithm to push this video to more audience. Thank you so much for doing that. All right, let's move into it. You haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Yeah, subscribe. I really need that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now we have 5 editing applications, the alternative to CapCut, and the number 2 and 1 are, I can say, best alternative to me. Let me say favorite. Why do I say that? Because I have them on my device. Yes, so make sure you watch to the end to get to know about it. Yeah, don't skip any part of this video. So the number 5th on the list, I'm going to start backward. Yeah, number 5th on my list is edit. Are you an Instagram user? You use Instagram, you must be familiar with edit. If you are not familiar with edit, let me say, is better from Instagram. Yeah, it's an editing application which you can use to edit your Instagram reels, and it's not limited to that. You can edit your reels in all of the platforms with it. Just make sure you download it and then you have access to it. So the features that are free available on it, now let's go into them and see. Multi-track editing for free, background remover for free, auto captions for free, extract audio for free, slow motion for free, color correction, you get the features free, video filters for free, and then finally to export your video in 1080p, export like for free. Can export your video in 1080p for free. It's not locked up in the premium version. Compare this to our CapCut. But the limitations here are video stabilization, masking, and keyframes. These ones are the limitations in the application. Number 4th on our list, the alternative to CapCut, is YouCut. Yes, YouCut, similar to Edit, these features are also free on it. The multi-track editing, keyframes, masking, chroma key for free, auto captions, slow motion, speed ramping, color correction, video filters, and you can also export your video in 1080p for free. All these features, you have it. When we look at the auto captions in CapCut, the auto caption on CapCut is a premium aspect. You have to subscribe to the premium plan. And the limitations in the YouCut is background remover. Background remover is locked up in the premium version, extract audio, and also video stabilization. And I want to speak out something, but okay, let me leave to the end of this video. I want to share something with you people on these apps. Now, third on our list here is Spring. Compare it to the features to also edit. Multi-track editing is also there for free, keyframes, masking, background remover, chroma key, auto captions, slow motion, color correction, video filters, extract audio effects, and also 1080p export for free. Is also available on the Spring application. In fact, try Spring. Try the applications. All these ones I'm mentioning, try one among them if you are not using any of them. Very important, please. And the limitation here is video stabilization. I don't know why this, wow, the premium is also locked up there. And then others. Some of these applications, the updated version, they may likely take some of these features to the premium, locked it up to the premium unless one subscribe. And then number 2 on my list is, before I mention it, I see that some of you have not subscribed to this point. Don't worry, I'll still mention it. So number 2 on the list is Inshot. I've been using Inshot for some long time. Yeah, let me say for some years, more than 2 years, so I can say I've been using Inshot. So Inshot is also a best alternative to CapCut. The features, almost every of the features are free. Almost all of the features are free, just like I mentioned in YouCut application. YouCut application, I also have it here. But the auto captions in the updated version, there's a possibility of the auto captions that will be locked up in the premium version. But you see, audio effect and video stabilization is also the limitation for in Inshot. Now in Inshot, it has a watermark, yes, but you can remove it for free through watching of ads. When you click on the cancel button, it will bring out 2 options for you to subscribe to the plan, subscribe to the premium version or plan, or you watch ads for some seconds and then it will go away. So that's the best good way. And then number 1 on my list, this is a new editing application. Yeah, it's a new one. You can try it out also. I pronounce it as KwaiCut. Yeah, KwaiCut. So similar, the features in Inshot is also available here. As you can see displayed, is also available. And one of the features that stand out for me here is teleprompter. The teleprompter there is also free. The feature there is also free. Compare this to CapCut. Teleprompter is a premium. You must subscribe to the premium plan to have access to use our teleprompter. So teleprompters really stand out for me in this KwaiCut mobile application. So these are the 5 alternative editing applications to CapCut that we can use to edit our videos. We should not allow that to become a limitation. Yes. Now what I want to say is, in these applications, the subscription plan are less comparable to CapCut. Yes, just make sure you just go into the applications, get one of them, and then compare the subscription plan, and then you see the difference. Yes, it's more lesser, it's very affordable, so that can't stop us to edit our videos. This brings me to the end of this video. I see it good to share this with you so that you cannot be stocked up. I don't have editing application, CapCut here, CapCut that. So do well to give a like to this video. I will not forget to repeat this because it's just a way of you supporting me. I share this to you, and then just give a like to this video. I really need it. I would like you to leave in your comments the next video you want me to make. And have you tried any of these applications? Which one do you want to try? What are your experiences? Leave it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another video.